Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Baking with Danielle. Today we're going to be baking some no-bake cookies. If you're a peanut butter and chocolate lover, you're going to want to learn how to make these cookies. So let's start baking. Here's a list of the ingredients you'll need. Half a cup of butter, 2 cups of sugar, half a cup of whole or 2% milk, 4 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, half a cup of peanut butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 3 cups of quick cooking oats. Alright guys, let's start baking the no-bake cookies. First, you'll need a 4-quart saucepan. It's about a medium size and on medium heat. First, you're going to put your butter, your sugar, your milk, and your cocoa powder. You're going to mix it all up. And we want to bring it to a rapid boil once it's all mixed up, and leave it on that boil for 1 minute. When you're stirring this, the butter is going to clump up like this, so make sure you keep stirring it until all the butter is melted into the mixture. As you can see, all my butter looks to be melted. Oh, there's a, and we're going to let it set. And let it come to a boil. Alright, now that it has come to a rapid boil, we need to remember to let it boil for 1 whole minute. Alright, it's been 1 minute, so you need to turn it off and remove it from the heat. Once you've removed it from the heat, you're going to stir in your peanut butter. And go ahead and start with the vanilla extract as well. We need to get that peanut butter nice and melted into the mixture before we add our oats. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Now it looks like all the peanut butter has melted, so let's add our oats. Keep stirring. You want to make sure all the oats get covered with the mixture. It looks like everything is well mixed. So now we're going to get our baking sheet that will be lined with parchment paper and start dropping the cookies on there. Alright guys, this is what it looks like when you're done mixing. It's going to start getting hard, so make sure you have your stuff ready. Get that parchment paper on your baking pan and your tablespoon to drop the cookies. I like to use both my tablespoon and the spoon I've been mixing just because it's going to be hot. So just pop them down there. You want to keep it about an inch apart. They're not going to really spread. That's up to you. You can make these cookies as big as you want. You want a big huge cookie, you can do that. If you want small cookies, you can do that. It's totally up to you. Again, these cookies are very easy to make, and you can make whatever size you'd like. So there's no given how many a batch is gonna make, because it's all depending on size. I'm gonna make them look a little bit better so they're easier to pick up when they're done cooling. And if you don't want to have that many baking sheets, if you do have a cooling rack, a cookie rack, then you can put parchment paper on that cookie rack and then drop your cookies on there, because this will make a lot of cookies if you do a medium-sized cookie, and it takes about 15 minutes for them to harden. So we'll see you back in about 15 minutes. Alright guys, it's been 15 minutes and this is what the final product looks like. These are one of my family's favorite cookies and they're going to be gone in no time. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you haven't liked or subscribed, please do that now. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see y'all on the next episode.